What's up, everyone? So, I want to talk about something that honestly changed the way me and my wife sleep at night, and I think a lot of you out there really need to hear this, especially if your partner keeps elbowing you at 2 in the morning, or you're waking up feeling exhausted even after a full 8 hours. I've been using SnoreStop Anti-Snoring Oral Spray for a while now, and I just want to give you my honest take on what it is, how it works, what it costs, and whether it's actually worth it. So first of all, snoring. It sounds like a joke, right? Like something you laugh about at family dinners. But if you live with it every single night, it is not funny. It messes up your sleep, it messes up your relationship, and honestly, it messes up your whole next day because you're dragging yourself around on zero rest. And the crazy part is, most people who snore don't even know they're doing it. Their partner is the one lying there wide awake at midnight, just suffering. That's exactly the kind of problem SnoreStop was built to fix. And this isn't some new brand that just popped up. This spray has actually been around since 1995. So we're talking about 30 years of people using this product. It was developed by medical professionals, and it's been trusted by over 3 million users worldwide. That's not a small number. That's real people, real results. Now let me tell you how it actually works, because this is the part that got me. Snoring happens when the airflow in your throat gets blocked. Your throat tissues are swollen, there's mucus built up, everything gets narrow, air pushes through, and those soft tissues start vibrating, and that vibration is the snoring sound you hear. Up to 80% of snoring actually starts right there, in the mouth and the back of the throat. So if you target that area directly, you can actually stop the snoring at the source. That's exactly what SnoreStop does. It's a spray, you shake it up, spray it twice under the tongue and twice into the back of the throat right before you go to bed. And the natural formula gets to work. It reduces the inflammation in those tissues, dries out the mucus buildup, and helps your airway stay open through the night so air can flow freely. No vibration, no sound, no snoring. The ingredients are all natural plant-based, mineral-based, homeopathic. Things like belladonna, hydrastis, calibicromicum, all prepared in accordance with the homeopathic pharmacopoeia of the United States. They're manufactured right here in FDA-regulated labs in the USA. They're GRAS certified. That means generally recognized as safe. And none of the ingredients contain any ephedrine or harmful compounds. It's non-habit forming, no known side effects, no morning grogginess, nothing like that. Just cleaner breathing. And one thing I really want to point out, this is not a mouth guard. It's not a chin strap. It's not one of those CPAP machines. No devices, no gadgets, nothing uncomfortable strapped to your face. You literally just spray it in your mouth before bed and go to sleep. That's it. The whole routine takes about 5 seconds. Now let's talk about results, because that's what really matters. Most people actually notice a difference on the very first night. For some, it takes a few nights for the formula to fully kick in, but they recommend giving it at least 5 consistent nights to really see the full effect. One bottle gives you about 60 applications, so that's roughly a month of nightly use. The reviews on this product are seriously impressive. It's sitting at a 4.7 out of 5, based on over 17,000 verified customer reviews. People are saying things like, "My wife says, nights are so much quieter now. I wake up actually feeling rested. This is the best product I've ever tried for snoring. It saved my marriage." And I know that last one sounds dramatic, but honestly, if you've ever had to sleep in separate bedrooms because of snoring, you get it. One customer named Jennifer from California said she struggled with snoring for years, and after using this spray, her husband told her she hasn't woken him up snoring in weeks. David from Florida said after a few nights, he noticed better sleep and less throat dryness, and it just became part of his nightly routine. These are real people leaving real reviews, and that kind of consistent feedback is hard to ignore. So now, let's talk about price, because I know that's what you're thinking about. A single bottle of SnoreStop Anti-Snoring Spray is priced at $49.99. That gets you 1 month of use. But here's where it gets really good. If you go with the bundle options, you save a lot of money. The most popular deal right now is the buy two, get one free option, so you're getting 3 bottles, which is 3 months of supply, for just $99.98 instead of the regular retail price of $149.97. You're saving about $50 right there, and you also get free shipping. And then, the best deal they have is buy 3, get 2 free. That's 5 full bottles for $149.97 instead of $249.95. You're saving nearly $100, and again, free shipping. So the more you grab, the better the value. And they ship everything out within 24 to 48 hours, with delivery in about 3 to 5 business days across the US. And here's the thing that makes it a total no-risk decision. They back it up with a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if for any reason it doesn't work for you, you can get your money back. You have nothing to lose, and potentially the best sleep of your life to gain. Look, if you, or someone you love, is dealing with snoring, whether it's mild or whether it's been going on for years, I genuinely think SnoreStop is worth trying. It's natural, it's simple, it's been around for decades, and the results speak for themselves. Official website in the description box. Go check it out, grab the bundle, and save yourself some money, and let me know in the comments how it works for you. Trust me, your partner will thank you. I'll see you in the next video.